All right, a look over the city, downtown Fargo right now. Very quiet and the wind finally taking a little bit of a break. Temperatures, though, on the cool side if you were out at the parade. Thanks for coming out. It was bearable, but glad to be back inside. 14 is that current temperature. Feels like, too, with those winds blowing only at 9 miles per hour now. No gusts reported, and that wind direction is from the west. In Grand Forks this hour, we have a temperature out at the airport of 14 degrees. 5 is what it feels like with a 6-mile-per-hour west wind. 7, one of the cooler spots there in Valley City and Gwinner. 9, Langdon. 10 for Devil's Lake. Holding on to the middle teens in Lakes Country with 11 for both Bemidji and Baudette, with Roseau right now at 14 degrees. Wind speeds generally under 10 miles per hour, and many of us are seeing a westerly wind now, so that wind undergoing a little bit of a shift from its northerly direction throughout the day. So we take a look at the big picture, a little batch of clouds slowing down the rate of cooling here in the Red River Valley, but it doesn't look like it'll last too long, as clear skies are expected to return to the valley. But more clouds and mixed precipitation out in the Big Sky country heading our way. Here's what happens overnight. We'll see those clouds spill their way into the western counties as we begin our morning with a south wind at 5 to 10 miles per hour. That not too bad. Temperatures around 10 degrees, though, for many of us up and down the Red River Valley. Some of the coolest weather may, in fact, be in central Minnesota, where you will have clear skies for a little longer period of cooling. Watch what happens if you are traveling in the mid-morning hours. This mixed bag of wintry weather will work its way through northeast portions of North Dakota. Best chance of snow north of Fargo, but we could have a band of healthy freezing rain. It won't be heavy, and the snow moves through here fairly quickly. I paused it here at 2:15, and that's when things get to flying through the Fargo area, with maybe snow and mixed precipitation after that, and then quickly zipping out of the region, leaving behind clear skies by the evening. Temperatures will warm thanks to the south winds, but there will be some slippery conditions on some roads out there. Not expecting a lot in the way of snowfall. Most places getting under a half of an inch. There may be a few along the international border that see upwards of an inch and a half. Now, as we go into the morning hours on Thanksgiving Day, we're going to have start your day temperatures as warm as highs were in some places today. Teens to around 20. South winds return. A few clouds out there, but temperatures surging nicely in the south to near 40 to 45 degrees in the far south. A lot of near 30-degree readings across northwest Minnesota for a quiet Thanksgiving Day. 11 to start your morning in Fargo. Winds from the south 5 to 15, and a temperature surging upwards of 30 degrees in the afternoon. 37 Jamestown, 41 down by Aberdeen, and mid-20s for much of northwest Minnesota. Another nice weather shot here uploaded. Pine Lake, Minnesota, a little icy and frozen waters indeed. Brandon, thank you for sharing your photo. Here is a look at the next 2 days. Thanksgiving Day, again, quiet but cloudy, 39 in Fargo. Take a look at the close of the work week. 51 gorgeous degrees out there. We will have a chance for some rain in the early part of the day. Saturday and Sunday, not bad at all. Quiet weather continues. Next Monday, we start out like this week. 45 to 50 degrees here in southeast North Dakota. A few snow showers and falling temperatures are anticipated for Tuesday.
Pretty decent for late November.
Right.
Take it easy on the roads tomorrow.
Thanks, Sach.
You bet.